Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your Beat Studio Pro and ensuring they have juice. Low battery can reduce noise-canceling performance. Once done, pair to your phone or laptop over Bluetooth and open the Beats or Companion app. You should update firmware if prompted, because firmware often improves ANC algorithms. Make sure to enable full permissions so adjustments apply. Finally, position the headphones properly over both ears. A proper seal is the first actionable step to effective noise canceling. You enable noise canceling in the app or using the on-ear controls. This activates the internal mics and DSB filters. Next, choose a mode, max for flights, balanced for commuting, or transparency to hear announcements, because each mode alters the algorithm and battery draw. Once selected, fine-tune by adjusting ear fit and retesting ambient sounds. A tighter seal lowers low-frequency leak and improves perceived ANC. If noise seems uneven, switch modes and reevaluate to match your environment. You finish by validating noise canceling, play low-frequency content, and confirm substantial reduction. This demonstrates ANC is working. Once satisfied, lock in your preferred mode and volume for consistent results. If you encounter issues, reset the headphones by holding power plus volume per manual. Resetting clears misapplied settings. If problems persist after firmware updates and resets, make sure Bluetooth is stable, then contact Beats support. A single restart often resolves glitches, so try that before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.